Hello, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video, I'll review the password setting for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. This setting turns the passcode on and off, adjusts the passcode timeout, and allows you to set or change the passcode. To input a passcode, open the app drawer, open Settings, open Passcode, enable Passcode. Select the passcode timeout and select user passcode and create a new 6-digit code. Confirm by selecting Save. You will not be able to start or stop the pump until password is entered. Did you lose your password? Enable customer service at blue-white.com to have your password reset. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.